Hello, biogas practitioners and inventor friends. About 5 hours ago, somewhere around noon, because it's about 5 p.m. now, I made a little video where I showed that we had accumulated overnight about an eighth of a bucket of slurry. And now 5 hours have passed, and you could see that it is now 3/4 full, and that it is still dripping. And that dripping, every drip represents a certain amount of gas that is being produced in this floating IBC tank digester. And it's the simplest of all digesters, because you just get a single IBC and lop the top off, and then you get another IBC and lop the side off and rotate it 90 degrees, and then put a gas valve, and then put a 2-inch pipe going down with an elbow, or rather 245s, extending out to about the middle of the tank, and then you can feed it. Forget about this biodigester here and that floating gas holder there. That's part of another experiment. But this is the floating gas holder standalone, which is appropriate for warm climates. And while it doesn't produce a huge amount, it does produce. And so you're looking at about 20 liters that it's made in 5 hours from a feeding and still going. You think, well, where is the gas then? Well, it's dripping into the bucket because I've got the bungee cords that are holding the gas holder down under pressure, and that is where the gas actually is. And to show that, let's see if I can open this and light it, and there it is. So it doesn't look like much, I suppose, but it is real. Yeah, ow. It really certainly feels real. It's fire. There we go. And it's now burning the plastic. So yay for that. So yeah, you get a little bit of pressure when it's low like that, because it's the water pressure up to here that is pushing the gas out. It's not going to be very high because it's not really stretching these bungees at all, is it? But this is a good way to get an idea of how much gas you're getting. And then when you release the bungees, then it'll rise up, and then you can put weight on it or put the bungees back on to push it down and push it out. But I did want to show people that you can measure how much gas you're getting by the displacement of water. And since this bucket has a total crack in it, I think I move this bucket out of the way. Let's even just pour that out and put another bucket underneath and turn that. Oops. There we go. Sorry about that. All right, so now we can see how much we get overnight, because we're starting at 5 p.m. with an empty bucket. You're seeing that it has stopped dripping, and that's because I let some of the gas out. So once more gas accumulates and reaches these bungee cords, then it's going to start dripping out there, which it's already doing, right? So that's your gas production, and I hope that helps people who are getting into this game. I like this one because it's got tadpoles living in it, and it's like a pond. And any pond, if you're wondering how to start a biodigester, there's that little tadpole. And another tadpole. So any pond, the bottom is going to be anaerobic, anoxic, and life will flourish above there, as those little tadpoles do, but it's going to be bubbling underneath. And so if you were to put a tarp or a bucket over any part of a duck pond, then you're going to get, or frog pond, you're going to get biogas coming out of that too. So that's really the best way to describe what a biodigester is. It's a duck pond that is covered. Yeah, look at those beautiful little frogs are coming. They got legs now. Yay. So hope you will take this and carry it further so that we can all eliminate 100% of our organic residuals, aka food waste and toilet waste and yard waste, and turn them into biogas. But that's an easy way to know how much gas you're getting, as those drips are biogas being produced right up in there.